The test scores of 8 students are shown in the table above. Let lowercase m be the mean of the scores. So in this case, small m is the mean and capital M is the median. And we have been asked the value of m minus the small m, that is the median minus mean, this difference. Now let us write this data. Since there are only 8 observations, we could write this data as, now 67 occurs only once, 75 occurs 3 times, then 87 occurs twice, and 91 also occurs twice. Now let us calculate the mean. Mean will be sum of all the observations. Suppose these are the observations x. So sum of all the observations upon the total number of observations. Now total number of observations is 8. And let us add all the observations. So 67 plus 75 plus 75 plus 75 plus 87 plus 87 plus 91 plus 91. That's a total of 648 divided by 8 gives 81. Next we have to calculate the median. Now let us go on cancelling out the values one by one from each end, and this data is already arranged in ascending order, so we can easily obtain the median. So cancelling 67 from this end, 91 from this end, again 75 and 91, 75 and 87. So we have been left with two middle terms. So the median will be 75 plus 87 divided by 2. Now 75 plus 87 divided by 2 gives 81. So therefore the difference between median and the mean is 81 minus 81, that is equal to 0, which is option B.